Hi, welcome to One Stop Safety. Today we're going to talk about safety program, development, and implementation, and the needs, problems, and solutions that companies face every day. Needs, also known as requirements. The needs of a company as it relates to safety are the reduction of incidents and accidents, the reduction of injuries, the reduction of thefts, and the improvement in the efficiency and tracking of information and material. Reductions in incidents and accidents. Accident incident reduction is a key factor in decreasing costs to a company while increasing profits and productivity. This is accomplished with a multifaceted approach where the following methods are used. Develop a program that outlines how you prevent incidents and accidents, train all workers in the hazards of their jobs, and inspect the work areas for compliance with the rules and look for unsafe hazards. Reduction of injuries. Along with the prior points on incidents, injuries are a costly and demoralizing weight on companies and society in general. There are several effective ways to reduce injuries on the job. These include personal protective equipment, job hazard analysis, job site inspections, and enforcement of the rules. Reduction in theft. Theft reduction directly impacts the bottom line of a company. Proper tracking of assets and accountability to those who have been assigned company property is a proven method to hold workers accountable and help them understand the importance of keeping items and equipment safe. Problems and roadblocks. Of all the issues discussed, the common response given from managers and owners as to why solutions are not enacted or followed include, I have too many responsibilities. There are too many requirements. I don't have enough time, and we don't have enough money. We have the solution. One Stop Safety. One Stop Safety was created to solve many of the problems that companies face with regards to loss control. Come with us on a quick tour of the features. We'll only go over part of the program for time purposes, but you'll quickly see the benefits of using the system. It identifies the needs, solves the problems. It is the solution. OneStopSafety.com. So from the login screen up here, the user will be taken to this portal. As an administrator, we're going to click that button right there, and this takes you to your profile. This is the profile page of the user themselves. They can update their own profile, they can track their own training, and they can also look at incidents that they're involved with themselves. So the incident will track back to this profile page. From there, a manager or above, or administrator, can look at the employees page. Here's a list of the company employees. You can also search by employees. But on the details page here, it'll open up to the same profile page that you just saw for your own page. From there, some changes can be made to the individual employee's profile page. Over here on the right-hand side, they can enter new employees or issue employee warning notices. Next one down, we have equipment. Different types of equipment in the company. Remember we said before that we want to properly track them. So we can add new equipment, inspect equipment, and search for equipment. So all the details about a piece of equipment, including its cost, where it's assigned, what job site, what person, is all kept in this area here. Incidents. Proper incident management and tracking not only saves money, but it also highlights how to prevent the same incident from happening in the future. This page, you have a list of the incidents, and then you can add a new incident. The incident's going to track what happened. It could be anything from a theft to damaged property to an injured employee. All that falls under the incidents page. Job hazard analysis. In this page, the workers or the employees or the company would look at each task and find out how to do that task safely, and you break it down by steps. Each step, each hazard, each solution to that hazard. You combine all those together, you get the full analysis for a task. On the right-hand side is where you'd add a new JHA, and this all gets listed here. Come down a little bit. Job sites. The job site page, we're going to be listing all the active job sites that we have. We can search for job sites. We can enter a new job site, inspect a job site. We can also look at the inactive job sites. That way you can go back and look at the history of what has happened in the past. Job site has everything from the general contractor, the exact address, the particulars. It could have the contract amount if they want to add it in there, as well as linking who the supervisors are for the job site. It's an important tool to tie it all together. MSDSs, which is now also moving to SDSs for Safety Data Sheet with a global harmonization. This is the list of the chemicals that you'll have company-wide. You can add a new MSDS or SDS, but it also breaks it down by job site, which is an OSHA requirement to find out what's the actual chemical list that each company has on each individual job site. Extremely important tool to manage your HazCom program. Training. One of the most important parts of the whole portal that we have is our training page. A couple different ways that we're tackling it. We can look at the training records of each employee. We can enter prior training. So before using the system, a company can go back and find all the training they've had in the past, whether it's hard paper files or old Excel spreadsheets, and they can build their format and then put the training in here. We also have a link to a learning management system. So subscription to this site enables the users of the company to also use our learning management system. Once you get in there, then it's a professional online training system that will track data, track coursework. It will issue tests. It'll score the test. And then that way, it's got a verifiable completion process for when employees take online training. Extremely important, a very valuable tool for companies to use, and we're able to get it at a discounted rate, which makes this site affordable. So that way, when a company that you're going to approach with this, they couldn't get that training portal for a learning management system at a smaller scale at this cost. We bought it in a awful large group and chunk, and so that way we could pass along the savings to them. Extremely important part of this system. Last one down here is vehicles. Great tool. List all the company vehicles. You can add vehicles, find out who the vehicle is assigned to, find out if the vehicle is assigned to a job site, and then you can inspect the vehicles. Not only for safety inspections, but also for normal wear and tear on how to keep the vehicle intact so it's not a more costly expense in the future. We believe the whole thing wrapped together is a great system at an affordable cost. It should be something that you should be able to get out to your customers, your current customer base, and approach them with, and hopefully it's something that they can use. What we want you guys to do now is either click on the link in the emails that you received, or up here from our website for the next couple weeks. This button will be here for Become a Reseller. That'll take us over to this page. It's our sales portal page. It's not something that a normal user will be able to see from the website. This is only going to be directed towards the sales force. Click the Learn More button, and we talked a little bit about what we have here. Different users of the company and what they cost. Goes 1 to 20, 21 to 80, 81 to 150, and so on and so forth. Once you get above 250 users, if you're approaching customers like that, give us a call and we'll price it out. But for the most part, you can tell your customers it's about $1 a user going up from there. And that's what it costs per month. Commission schedule below. This is the big, this is the nuts and bolts for the sales staff. They're going to be selling it. This is the important part to you on how you would get your money. Commission start at 20% right off the first sale. Doesn't matter whether it's the $2.99 one or the $99 one. Once you get up to 10 customers, it goes to 25% and 30% when you hit 25 customers. And that's not just moving forward. That's for all the customers that you have in your base. So we want to take an aggressive approach at this, provide you guys as much money as we can possibly afford to get the incentive out there for you guys to push this product. Let's see. A couple more features. Here's a features page. The employee portal, job hazard analysis, job site page, MSDS, SDS tracking, incident investigation, vehicle tracking, equipment tracking, the training tracker, and this all-important learning management system. That's pretty cool stuff. Those are the main features right now. We expect the site to grow. We're going to add more stuff to it as we move forward. The price may change in the future, but it won't change for any current users of the system. So tell all your customers now, once they jump into the system, it's going to keep evolving, but they won't see a cost increase. Just something that we're able to do on the front end for everybody. Hopefully, now that you guys have seen this, you're just as excited about the system as we are. Hopefully, it's a good tool for you guys to get out and sell and make some good money for yourselves. And I think at this time, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, go to the website and click the Contact Us now. But there'll also be some information in the email that you guys are receiving. Last thing we want you guys to do then is go to the sales representative registration form, fill out all the data. We need first name, last name. Email number 1 is important. That is your user login. We don't care what email that is, but you're going to put it in once, you're going to confirm it again, and that's what you're going to be using to log into the system. Once you do that, check all the boxes here for what you pertain to, what your normal sales scope is, what your target audience is. LinkedIn profile. Hopefully all the salespeople that are looking at this have a LinkedIn profile. I want you guys to check the box if you have one. click the hyperlink for your LinkedIn profile over here, or take it off the top of the page, and then put all the information in there, and we will connect with you that way. There's also some directions in the email. The W-9, we want you to download your W-9, fill it out completely, sign it, scan it, and then upload it to here. Once you do that, click submit. It'll take you to another page to confirm all the data. Click submit again. From there, we'll review the data, and then if you guys get approved as a sales representative, then we will come back to you with your user password, login, your sales representative number, all that stuff. So we're really excited about this. Hopefully you guys get out and you can approach your customers with this, and we can all build this together. We look forward to hearing from all of you soon.